Welcome to our comprehensive guide on investing in gold for beginners. In this video, we'll discuss everything you need to know about investing in gold and how it can benefit your portfolio. Gold has been a valuable asset for centuries and is considered a safe haven for investors during economic turmoil. As a beginner investor, you may be wondering how to invest in gold and how it can be a great option for diversification. There are several ways to invest in gold, including physical gold, gold ETFs, gold mining stocks, and gold futures. It's essential to understand each investment type to make an informed decision. Before investing in gold, you should determine your investment goals and risk tolerance. Research various gold dealers and investment options to find the best investment for you. Keep storage costs in mind for physical gold, and consider the fees, storage costs, and liquidity of each investment option. Investing in gold should be a part of a diversified portfolio, and it's essential to have a long-term perspective when investing in gold. Keep track of the performance of your gold investment and adjust your strategy as needed. To recap, gold has several qualities that make it an attractive investment option, such as its scarcity and universal value. The most common types of gold investments are physical gold, gold ETFs, gold mining stocks, and gold futures. It's crucial to understand each type of investment and choose the option that best suits your investment goals and risk tolerance. Thanks for watching our guide on investing in gold for beginners. We hope this video has been informative and helped you understand the basics of investing in gold. Make sure to get your free gold buying handbook by going to the link below.